everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about very interesting thing, and that is font. So let's say you are surfing some website and suddenly you like the font, but you don't know which font is that. So how to identify that font? So today's video is all about that. So for that, I'm going to use one of the Chrome extensions, that is what font. So you can go to Google or any other search engine and search for this what font. Click on this what font and add it to Chrome. So add extension. Okay, so it will add the extension for you, and once the extension is added, you can see that it is appearing over here. Now how to use that? So you can see that right now for me it is disabled, so maybe it is the same case for you also. So what you can do is you can click on this font, and once you click on that, you will see that now it is falling under the full access. So click on this, and now the extension is activated. You can click anywhere and you can just hold the mouse. So here it is sans serif, again it is Georgia, and similarly you can see sans serif. You can go with any other website and even try that out. So I'm here, so this is different font altogether. So this is how easy it is to identify the font. So once it is done, you can click on exit what font and you are back to normal mouse pointer. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.